Hi guys, back for the birds and butterflies journal. I have been trying to find the piece I cut off from here, but for the life of me, or did I? No, I didn't cut it. Okay, we'll just ignore that part. Now, this kit does come with 2 pockets, so I've already scored them. Now I just have to fine tune them. Take out these corners, and this one, and this one, and then I think I just want to keep that right on the crease there. I'm going to put them this way. See, like so, and then we can slip something in there. Maybe a pretty little envelope. So let's put some glue and in from the fold, because remember that is where we are going to stitch it together. And let's do the next one. Like so, and being aware of the fold, and I'm bringing it in from the stitching because I want the stitching to be seen, and I think that's about right. Yeah, that's perfect. So there we go, we have that page. And that's already looking very, very sweet. Now here I'm going to cut from the same, I mean you can use whatever paper you have, a little pocket here. So let's just make I'm just going to cut, I'm just thinking whether to make flaps, but I don't think I'm going to. So let's again, in from the fold, I'm going to cut that down. About there. It's going to look very pretty, and I don't want to get my head in the way, you know, I always do that. Just going to trim this a little bit. Probably should have used my cutter to keep it straight. So pretty. And I'm going to bring it in a little bit, so I'm going to take some more off, about that much. To make another little pocket there, and we can slip something inside. So we're just gonna do like so, and there. And if you want, you can make that little nip in the center. Actually, I'm going to do that. I should have done it before, but you know, this is the way the cookie crumbles. So let's just go there and there and put it on the top, slightly in. Perfecto. Oh, I had glue on my finger there. I didn't clean it, but you can use those silicone rubber things. Let's see if I can get that off. It'll be alright. You can barely notice it. And I mean, we're gonna decorate some more, so I suppose we're really doing the basics here. So far we have with something in there. Let's pretend this guy is going in there. It's too big, but that actually wouldn't look too bad. And then we have here, and we can probably stick, I don't know, one of these in there. looking very nice. Okay, so I said for now we're going to leave these, and what am I going to put there? I've got these two. Just thinking, guys, I am thinking maybe just two little pockets there. So pretty. So what I want to do, you see there are two different music books. Beautiful paper. I love this paper. So I want to use some in here. Like so. Let's just tear two out. And then, let me see this one. Oh, see, it's a slightly different color. I'm sure you can see that. Let's just take another one out. This is actually would be a good one for writing, although the lines are very thin. And then what I was thinking, we'll have to take a little bit off. So let's make this by 8. Yeah, let's make it by 8. Let's see. So let's take a little bit off here. Taken off the bottom. Now I'm going to take off the top there, and hopefully it'll come to 8. Yeah, that looks good to me. And what if we just fold it? Just fold it. And add it. I think we need to just take a teeny weeny bitty, itsy bitsy off the top again. No, but I think I'm going to put you here. Yeah, just like that. Before I do that, I am going to glue, so we'll make this a pocket as well. And make that a pocket. Like so. I wonder if I should nip it. I only want to really, you know what I'm going to do? I don't think I've got my circle punch here. Not the one I want. This one is broken. I may as well throw it away. So I'm not even going to, I just want to tear like so. See that? Just a little pocket there. And then throw that away. What am I going to do here with this piece? Let's put this one the other way. So what if we let's do that. We are going to make this into a flap, and then we can decorate it. I think so. I'd like that. So that is going to have to go down first. So I am going to do this. I don't know if the whole thing is going to work as to what I have in my mind. That really went skew. Why not? Let's try it. We'll see. You'll see what I'm getting at. I hope. Put a line of glue there, and of course, and do like so. I've got to find my rag. Where's my rag? Okay, I'll use this guy. So we have that. Then we have I'm actually going to take a little bit more off because I want it to bring it in. Let's see now. Which is fine. Yeah. And we can make that. Let's try it. So we have a double pocket here. Like so, like so, like so. Now let's see where this little bit in. That's looking good. And you're thinking, what is she doing? So, right, so I've taken the glue off here, and I think I'm gonna, it's not sticking. I don't even need, it is on here though. Maybe I need to put, no, it's fine, it's not gonna stick down. So just glue like a quarter of it there, because then this will be, okay, I've folded it. This then, it's not going to be this tag, we're going to have to make a bigger one for there. But for instance, that can go in there, and then we can get something else. Let's just say this one for the moment, just so that you can see what I'm trying to get at here, guys. So then we still have a pocket there, and we have a pocket here to put whatever in here. We'll decide later what that's going to be. And then we have, we need something there. Well, I think I'm going to leave that for now, because the decorating can come later, because I think I want something a little bit bigger, or maybe, no. How about we put that there? Let's just do this. What other cards have we got in here? This is very pretty, also with the kit. But maybe I'm going to put this, so I think I'm going to print another one like that. Oh, that is so nice there. That looks fabulous there. And we could just do that. Glue that down. And I have some very pretty washi tape here, which I also used in the other journal. And we could just, oh, it's so pretty there. I'm just going to put it down. I'm not even gluing. I just think it looks really pretty there. So let's put a bit. I think this is Bo Bunny washi tape. So what if we put you here? Then we're going to have, it's so nice. I think so, and we can still do something in there or leave it for writing space. So I'm going to glue that down as well. Very, very nice. Yeah, and then how am I going to glue this down? Because we can probably put tags in here. Let's say, yeah. So I'm going to turn this into another little pocket, guys. So let's do this. Now, of course, if you don't have this, if you're using a different kit, your own whatever, then you just make one. Just make a folder to go in here. And then we have that. And then so that opens there, and that'll open there. So we really need something. Let's have a look. Look at these tags. They really are lovely. Botanical. Oh, look at this bird. We could use this bird as a tuck spot. I think that would look nice. But I think I need a ribbon there. So I'm not going to glue it down, but I'm going to leave it here because I want to put a ribbon and maybe even a little eyelet or something. But this here, this is a postcard that could even or go in here, but we'll worry about that kind of ephemera at a later stage. These are all little postcards. So I think maybe, unless you know what I'm going to do? Why not? I'm going to use this guy. Let me cut him off in my machine. Yeah. Maybe I'll use a different one. Decisions. Hey, why didn't you cut off? Just going to... Actually, I don't even need to do that. Let me see, how wide is that? That's going to look very pretty. Covering up all of this. Maybe I'm just going to do it on this side. So let's do that because I want the paper to show through, you know. So if we do that, not too big. Actually, I'll have a look. Let's do that. Let's see what happens. And yeah, that's fine. And we can take you down there. Quite like that. And what if we just tear it a little bit? Just a little bit. Like so. And the bottom. Let's tear the bottom. And then we can also decorate it later, you know. Come on, tear nicely. Yeah, for a little bit of writing space. So I'm going to glue this down. No more pockets, we got enough there. Let's put it down. Where's the fold? I can actually bring it in a little bit more. Fold. Yes. And why not take some of this? Just thinking, I'm thinking again. It's a bit wide, this one, so I'm going to tear it, well, cut it, or attempt to, because and that makes a nice little writing spot, picture spot. Very pretty. very, very pretty. Do it this way. Pretend to hold it down, you know. And that one, where the writing is, doesn't really matter which way the writing is actually. And lastly, there are little bits there. You can also, I also sometimes just fold it, and that's exactly what I'm going to do, only a tiny bit rather than cut it off. And then on a wing, oh, this look here. And there, on a wing, there, that looks nice, just like that, on a wing. What is that saying? On a prayer and on a wing, something like that. On a wing and a prayer, I think that's the same. Look at that. And then here, I think I'm just going to leave that, but this is going to be, something has to go here. So if something is going to go there, let's just see. I don't think this will do. I'm just thinking to put 2 strips there. Or do I just, I'm just going to put this here, guys. And this one, I'm going to make a little pocket there. Are you following me? Are you doing this? Do you have whatever journal you're using out? That's going to look very nice. And let's just mark it there. And let us do like so. And we'll cut that off there. Put that away. Today you can hardly see the floor because of all the paper on it. Because, you know, I've been trimming these ones. And this, my dustbin is full and the rest is just gone to the floor, which will have to be swept up. So let's cut off that. We don't have to worry about that, not going to see it. And we have a very cute pocket here. Simple, and then of course we will embellish it. But right now we're just putting it together. And we'll see where we're going to go from here. How about that? And then I think we are going to leave it at that for today. There you go. Beautiful sea green there. And let's say we're going to put this character in there. So what do we have? What do we have? Boom, boom. What do we have? Where's the rest of my journal that goes in here now? It's gone. Gone with the wind. Yeah, it's looking quite good. Look, we've done a lot. We have done a lot for this lovely, simple journal. So we've got there. Going to put something gorgeous in here. That. Writing. We have a pocket here. All this for writing. And we need to do something here. So we have, it's looking good, people, there. And then we have there. And I think we need to put some more of this up there. If I can just find it. Very, very pretty. How about that? So we don't want to get, yeah, I want it nice and torn. And then we could still, if we wanted to, now I think I'm going to leave that open. Let me just press this in, and I think, guys, I am going to leave it there for today, and tomorrow I will come back with something else, maybe here and here. And this journal is going to be done in a jiffy. I'm just going to put you here. Does it stick out enough? Yes, it does. Look, perfect. Probably put two things there. Yep. Oh, and we haven't even put it in here yet. We have that. Looking very nice. Okay, guys, I will see you again tomorrow for, I think it's part, what are we going into, 2 or 3? I don't know. I'm not even going to try. All right then. See you soon. Bye-bye.